Are you ready to unlock the power of your mind? Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and stressed? Today we're diving deep into the world of meditation. We'll explore why it's so beneficial, how to start, and how to overcome common challenges. Let's embark on this journey together. What is meditation? Meditation is a simple yet profound practice that involves training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. By calming your mind, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. The benefits of meditation. The benefits of meditation are numerous and well documented. It can help you reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, enhance emotional well-being, boost creativity, strengthen your immune system. Overcoming common obstacles. Many people avoid meditation due to common misconceptions. Let's debunk them. Myth 1, you need to be perfect. Perfection is not the goal, just show up and be present. Myth 2, you don't have time. Even a few minutes of meditation can make a difference. Myth 3, your mind will always be racing. Thoughts are natural. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Practical tips for beginners. Here are some practical tips to start your meditation journey. Find a quiet space. Choose a peaceful environment where you won't be disturbed. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your breath. Use guided meditations. Guided meditations can help you stay focused and relaxed. Be patient and kind to yourself. Progress takes time. The power of community. Don't feel alone on your meditation journey. Join a meditation group or community to connect with like-minded individuals. Sharing experiences and learning from others can be incredibly beneficial. Remember, meditation is a personal journey. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much it can transform your life. Like, comment and subscribe for more wellness tips and meditation guidance. Share this video with someone who needs a little peace.